Hey, you know what? I love asking questions and answering them. So, our today's question is, what is a blog? If you want to know about something or you want to review a product, so what you do, you can search it on YouTube or Chrome. If you search on Chrome, then the results appear our website or blogs. There's not much difference between website and blog, but there's some just like that. A blog is run by an individual or a small group, whereas a website is run by big businesses or bigger groups. And there's some other differences, just like a blog displays its post as recent post, whereas a website displays its post as digital services or something like that. Just like you need a land to stand, just like that you need a platform to do blogging. There are many platforms of blogging platforms which are Wix, Medium, Blogger or WordPress. But what are the best ones? There are two, Blogger and WordPress. But the best in these tools are WordPress. You can customize your blog. You are the main owner of your blog. Whereas the Blogger is free and WordPress is paid. But WordPress is better because you can customize your blogs and make it look cooler. You can add plugins and make your website faster than ever. But today we are going to set up a blog on Blogger platform which is free. So let's get on mobile screen. As you can see, we are on mobile screen right now and we have to make a blog on Blogger. So we type Blogger. After searching for a term called blogger, you will get an interface just like this, in which you can see blogger.com. Create a unique and beautiful blog. It's easy. You have to tap on it. And if you already have a blog on Blogger platform, then you can sign in. Or if you don't have, then you have to type create your blog. After typing create your blog, just like this, there will be interface in which you have to choose a Gmail ID from which you will log in or sign up to your blog. I choose the random Gmail ID of mine and I go with it. So you have to choose a name for a blog. This will be name or title which will display at the top of your blog. So just like it's hard to find a unique name right now, so I will type any name just like Amit and 987, just like this. You can type your own website name which is related to your niche, and you have to search your address, that is this address available or not. Let me check out it is available or not. I'm at 987. The blog address isn't available, so I have to choose another number just like 984. Yeah, so the blog address is available and we have to type on next. And after typing on next, you have to type your display name which will be displayed to your readers. So it will be Amit 984 and we have to type on finish. And after this display name updated, you have done almost 50% of your work on to make a blog on Blogger platform. You have to just remove that notification notices, and after removing that, you can create a post just from tapping on the plus orange button at the right corner. And after you have to type your title for your blog, and you have to paste all your blog, or you have to write it. Just like I want to paste it, I go to my clipboard in which I have copied my old blog about Flipkart offer a small quite easy blog. Clipboard and I pasted it. Yeah. You can bold any text, just like you have to tap on text and you have to type then select. After selecting, you can bold it just like the text become bold. You can see the much discount text which is selected become bold. You can italic or underline any text. You can do something to the text. You can add images and many things, just like I'm doing it underlined. So the Flipkart big saving is underlined, and you can add images, video or links to your blog just from tapping the three dot icons in the right side. Yeah, so there's an option for image, video, emoji or something like that. You can add a link yourself too. So as we have know about how to write a blog, and we have to type on publish, and after publishing you have to type on confirm. So your blog is published, your first post is published. I haven't make a thumbnail or image in that, so that it's displaying F. Yeah, so we increase to another video. After copying its link, let me check out how it looks. So we have to go on Google Chrome and paste that link, and after pasting that, just like you can see, it displays like this. It's a official theme of blogger platform. So but we can change it. Yeah, you can change it easily, but just let me see about something. Yeah, this is how you blog you, and you have to change it. Then you can do, you have to swipe down on this and you have to choose theme, and after choosing theme you have to type customize, or if you don't have theme downloaded itself, then you have to choose a official theme or blog. Just like there are many, so you can choose anyone. Just like I tried to choose notable Dracula, color orange. Yeah, I tap to choose this one, and you can change your color just like this. I tapped on it and it's become pink type of, so you can change it easily. And just I want to go with orange one, so I type apply. Yeah, swipe down and apply, and it's applying. So the new theme is applied successfully, and now you have to go to that blog again and refresh it. So this is what the blog looking like, and now it's looking like this. Amit 97 Flipkart offer or something like that. Everything is customized. Yeah, so you can see it's a new theme which is by blogger, but how you can add a theme for me also, so I will tell you. Just like you can add comments, anyone add the comments, then you can see from there. So it's done till here now, and we have to go on blogger.com again. So we go on it, and yeah, you can download a Sora theme. This is the best theme till ever now for your bloggers. Yeah, if you have a blog on blogger platform, then you can download Sora theme. You have to type on Sora templates, and after you can choose any theme template from here. Just like I choose this random one or something else. Yeah, swipe down and I select Sora SEO2. Then I tapped on it, the interface, and after tapping on it, you have to download it. It's free version. Yeah, it's free. You can use it easily, and I will tell you how to apply it. Download now free version. After tapping on download now, it will start getting downloaded. So I have extracted that file, zip file, and now we have to type on the left button of customize, and after typing on it, we have to type on restore, and after it you have to type on upload, and after typing on upload, then you have to choose a file in which you have extracted right now. So we choose a file related to it. I go to my this, and after going to this, I have to go to download from where I have downloaded it right now. Yeah, I have to go Sora SEO2, and you have to choose .xml version only. Yeah, there are many URL or type of that, but you have to choose .xml in which and with .xml. After typing on it, it will restore. It will take time. Yeah, I have fasted it, and it can take time in your ones. So the theme is restored, and we have to go our blog right now. After typing on our blog, which is about Flipkart offer, we have to refresh it again. Yeah, so goes here and refresh it. So now how it's look in another theme. Yeah, so here's the new look, in which you can see here's the new look about Sora SEO2. So we learned about the themes. Yeah, how you can apply themes and on your personal one. Let's know more about the features which are something like that. So let's know more about more features in blogger platform. So we have to go on our blog. Yeah, that's one, and here you can see the post you posted till right now. So I've just registered my blog, so the traffic is 7, and there's no comment. You can share your blog from this button, and after that one you can see your stats, your monthly stats, your weekly stats, your lifetime stats, your all-time stats, and the followers of your annual post and comments. Everything you can see in stats, and from here you can select any comments. We have no comments right now, so we not have to do it. In earnings, you have to approve your AdSense account for your blog platform or blog website. And from layout, you can choose anything. You can customize all your theme. Just like I chose the theme and I want to change something, so you can change it from there. And from here, you have to change your settings if you want to change something like that. So that's for today's video. If you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe our channel for more valuable content. So it's me, Digi Yadav, signing off.